In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to buy your web hosting. And the web hosting is where you're actually going to have your website's home. So all of your files will be in this server, just like they would be on your hard drive. For this one, we're going to use Bluehost.com. And I'm going to actually put in a special address up here that's going to allow me to buy my hosting for a lower price. And it's www.bluehost.com/track/special bonus. And I'm going to go ahead and click enter, and it will take me to a certain page. This page is going to allow me to buy my web hosting for $4.95 a month. So this is a savings of $2 a month. This will also have all of the features that come with this web hosting. It will also show you other services offered by the hosting company, such as their 800 numbers, how to resell for web hosting, and how to actually use the cPanel, which is what you'll use to build your site. And then down on the bottom, we have one-click script installs. So if you want to use any of these, you would just click on them. That would be WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, etc. But for the moment, we're just going to go ahead and buy our hosting. And I'm going to click Sign Up Now. So first, you need to either tell it if you have a domain name or if you need a domain name. I actually already have a domain name, so I'm going to type it right in here. However, if you need one, this will allow you to type in the domain name, choose .com, .net, or any other ending that you want, click Next, and it will tell you if your domain name is open and if you can buy it. I already have a domain name, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And I'm going to put it in as illustrated underneath, which is just the name of my site, which is WordPress tutorial hub.com, and I'm going to click Next. If I have any questions, you can start right here to chat with one of their customer service representatives, or you can call them at these 800 numbers. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. Now I'm actually going to be transferring my domain to Bluehost because I already own the domain name, and the domain I own is WordPressTutorialHub.com. You can also choose .net, .org, .info, and .biz. Each of these additional domains cost $11.95, so you can add those on if you don't already own them. Next, I'm going to fill out the account information, including my business name if I have one, my first and last name, my street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. You can also put in your mobile phone number if you wish. If you scroll down, you'll also see that you can choose their Pro package, which includes a faster speed, more power, and better security. Plus, it's only $19.95 a month instead of the normal price of $24.95. So you can choose that option as well. Underneath that is our package information, whether you want to start with 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, or if you just want to do a Pro for a 12-month price for $19.95, as explained up in that box above. We're going to go ahead and buy for 24 months. You can also choose the Site Lock Domain Security and the Site Backup Pro. To find out more information about those, you'll just click in those boxes. Again, you can read all the information about this option and chat with a